Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be checking out a phone sent over by CompAsia, and it's actually an iPhone 12. But this iPhone 12 is priced starting at only 1,900 ringgit. So why is it so cheap? Well, CompAsia is actually a company that sells second-hand devices with up to 12 months of warranty, free shipping nationwide, and they also have a buy now pay later option. And each device they sell has to go through their 32 steps of quality checks by their qualified technicians. So if you're interested, do check them out at shop.compasia.com, or you can check out the links in the description below to their social medias and their website. But without further ado, let's check out the unboxing experience first of this iPhone 12. Alright, so taking a look at the box, CompAsia do have their own box which is very professional, and on it is a CompAsia confidence sticker. That means that this device right here in this box has passed their 32 steps of quality checks by their qualified technicians. And on the side of the box, you can see these 3 QR codes right here which actually link to their social medias and to their website, so you can check them out if you want to. On the back of the box, you have a fun fact section. You can pause if you want to read it. And right underneath it is actually their address and email, and if you check on Google Maps, they actually have pretty good ratings on there. And on the front of the box, we have a CompAsia tested and passed sticker. I do have to blur out some information, but we can see right here I have an iPhone 12 with 128 gigs, and it's actually the white variant. And opening up the box, you can see that it's actually a fully recyclable box, and you have a code right here for your next purchase on CompAsia shop. And if you're thinking of selling your old phones or whatever phones you're not using for instant cash, you can check out this section. They actually have a program where you can sell off your old phones. And opening up the flap, you do get your phone on top right here. I'm going to put that aside for now. And you do get some accessories in the box. First off, you get a charging adapter in the box. You get a charging cable also, and included is this small little tool that is actually a SIM card removal tool. Everything was packaged really nicely in my opinion, and I love this fully recyclable box. So taking a look at the front and the back of the device, the glass appears to be not scratched at all, especially on the front. Everything looks really nice and brand new, and on the back there's also no scratches whatsoever, and on the camera bump right here it also looks brand new. All 4 sides of the device looks really smooth. There are no scratches or dents, and on the bottom you can see again another CompAsia sticker next to the lightning port. Besides that, after turning on the iPhone, I actually set it up and I didn't encounter any problems at all. All the apps were running very smoothly, and especially Face ID, it works well just like a brand new iPhone. After setting it up, I did test out all of the buttons. All the volume buttons work, the silent switch works as intended, and of course the on-off switch works just fine. And one more thing about CompAsia is that all devices they sell have a battery health of over 80%, so you don't have to worry about battery when you're buying a device from them. Charging up my iPhone 12 with the given cable and adapter wasn't a problem at all. It also charged up to 100%, and I was surprised to see that my device had a maximum capacity of 85% for the battery health. Besides that, the speaker works just fine as well. I did watch some YouTube videos, some Netflix, and also watch some TikToks. The stereo speakers here still works as intended. And I also made and received phone calls on the device without any problems whatsoever. And yes, I did test out the cameras on the phone. The back cameras or the main shooter works really nicely. It still captures pretty sharp images, and you can zoom in all the way. Video recording also works just fine. All of the features are there, and the front facing camera also works. You can see myself in the screen right now. So I did continue to use this iPhone 12 for the next few days as my main daily driver, and I got to say I'm pretty impressed for what you get at this price. So basically at the end of the day, you're pretty much getting a brand new phone for around half the price. Before this video ends, I want to say a quick thank you to CompAsia for sending over this iPhone 12 unit for me to review and take a look at. And of course, if you're interested in anything in this video, especially CompAsia, links will be down in the description below. Remember to check them out. So that does it for this video, guys. Leave a like on this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have even more content like this coming very soon, and as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.